Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use eTrade for online trading step by step clearly. Start by visiting the eTrade website. Click on the Open an Account button. Fill in the required personal information in the registration form. Choose the type of account you wish to open. Review the terms and conditions, then click Submit. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the eTrade dashboard. Navigate to the Markets section to view available stocks and ETFs. Use the search bar to find a specific stock or asset. Click on the stock you are interested in for more details. Review key metrics like price, volume, and performance history. Decide whether you want to buy or sell the stock. Select the trade option for that specific stock. Choose the type of order you wish to place, such as market or limit. Enter the number of shares you want to trade. Review the order details to ensure accuracy. Click Preview Order to see a summary of your trade. If everything looks correct, confirm your order by clicking Place Order. Monitor your portfolio from the main dashboard. Check your transaction history under the Account section. Utilize *Trades educational resources to improve your trading knowledge. Consider setting up alerts for price movements on stocks you're watching. Periodically review your investment strategy and adjust as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.